Good morning children. Today we will learn the letter P. Capital letter P and small letter p. Capital letter P and small letter p. What is the sound of letter P? The sound of letter P is P. P. What is the sound? P. P for pan. P for pan. A flat dish used for cooking. P for papaya. P for papaya. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. These are fruits. P for papaya. P for pineapple. P for potato. P for potato. P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. These are vegetables. P for potato. P for pumpkin. P for pen. P for pencil. P for pen. P for pencil. These are used for writing, drawing, etc. P for peacock. Peacock is a bird with beautiful feathers. Peacock is a national bird. Which is our national bird? Peacock is a national bird. Penguin. P for penguin. Penguins are found in cold place. P for peacock. P for penguin. P for papaya. Children, repeat after me. P for papaya. P for pan. P for pan. P for peacock. P for peacock. P for pen. P for pencil. P for pencil. P for potato. P for potato. P for penguin. P for penguin. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. What is the sound of letter P? Yes, the sound of letter P is P. Now we will learn how to write letter P. Standing line and curve. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Children, which letter is this? Capital letter P. Next, small letter p. Small letter p start from second line. Small letter p. Small letter p. Small letter P. Children, which letter is this? Small letter P. Capital letter P and small letter P. Capital letter P and small letter P. Children, look here. Capital letter P and small letter P. Next, we will learn the letter Q. Capital letter Q and small letter q. Your mama letter Q and baby letter Q. Do you know what is the sound of letter Q? The sound of letter Q is Qua. Qua. Capital letter Q and small letter q. Children, repeat after me. Capital letter Q and small letter q. The sound of letter Q is Qua. Q for quail. Q for quail. Quail is a small bird. Q for quail. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen is the female ruler of a state or a country. Q for queen. Q for Q. Q for Q. To stand in line. Q for quill. Q for quill. Quill is the feather of a bird. Q for quill. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Quilt is a warm blanket. Q for quilt. Capital letter Q and small letter Q. Q for quail. Q for quill. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for Q. Q for Q. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. What is the sound of letter Q? Qua. Next, we will learn how to write letter Q. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. Children, which letter is this? Capital letter Q. Next, small letter Q. Small letter Q starts from second line. Small letter Q. Small letter Q. Small letter Q. Children, which letter is this? Small letter Q. Capital letter Q and small letter Q. Capital letter Q, small letter Q. The sound of letter Q is qua. Next, we will learn the letter R. Capital letter R and small letter r. Children, repeat after me. Capital letter R and small letter r. What is the sound of letter R? The sound of letter R is R. What is the sound? R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbit is a domestic animal. R for rain. R for rain. R for raincoat. R for raincoat. Raincoat is used to protect us from rain. R for raincoat. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. R for ribbon. R for ribbon. It's a long strip of fabric used for tying something or for decoration. R for ribbon. R for ring. R for ring. It's an ornament used in a finger. R for ring. R for robot. R for robot. It's a machine like a human being. R for rocket. R for rocket. It's a device that is launched into the air. R for rocket. R for row. R for row. R for rose. It's a flower. R for rose. The sound of letter R is R. R for rain. R for raincoat. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. R for ring. R for ribbon. R for rope. Children, repeat after me. R for rope. R for rose. R for robot. R for rocket. The sound of letter R is R. Next, we will learn the letter R. Standing line, curve and slanting line. Capital letter R. Capital letter R. Capital letter R. Children, which letter is this? Capital letter R. Small letter R. Which letter is this? Small letter R. Small letter R. Small letter R. Capital letter R and small letter R. Children, repeat after me. Capital letter R and small letter R. The sound of letter R is R. Children, did you understand how to write letter P, Q and R? Everyone sit and practice from your home. Thank you.